Hello, students. My name is Professor Waugh, and I'm a tenured professor that's been teaching college chemistry for over 31 years. In today's session, we are going to be continuing our journey through nomenclature. Type IIa nomenclature is pretty similar to Type I, but there are a few key differences. All right, let's start class. Are you feeling anxious about taking intro chemistry this semester? Tired of boring, pre-recorded online courses? Well, we here at A Friend in Chem are hosting a chemistry bootcamp this fall. Over the semester, for only $49.99 per week, you'll learn the equivalent of a full college introductory chemistry course through engaging live instruction and real-time support. We hold classes every Saturday for 14 weeks, and the first week is free. So, let us help you build confidence and go through the school year well prepared. Space is limited, so enroll today and make this fall a chemistry success. Hi, guys.
I'll have to do that until the intro, not try.
Oh, hi, guys. Now we're going to continue with nomenclature, and let's talk about Type IIa nomenclature. It's normally put together as one big Roman number 2, but I'm going to change it. I like to say Type IIa. Why? Because here we're dealing with metals and nonmetals, but the metals have more than one type of charge. You could have one type of charge, 2 types of charge, or 3 types of charges. All right, now how do we do this? We will do the same thing I taught you in Type I. I know the video was a little long, but you need to go look at it so you can study it. All right, now there are 2 naming systems that we've discussed before. We have IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and this is an easy way to actually do nomenclature for Type II. All you have to do is tell the charge on the metal using Roman numbers in parentheses. Easy ka-cheesy. Now the classical system, you know, the old American system, we use old stock names to name the metals. So I'm going to list those things out, stop the video, and make sure that you have it so that you have no problems going forward in nomenclature. All right, first thing, I want you to know the metals with more than one type of charge. So when you look at the diagram below, you will look to see it in the rectangle. There's more than 2 type of charges, like copper. Copper has a 1 plus charge. Don't put a 1. It also has a 2 plus charge. Remember, American Chemical Society maintains that you must put the number first, then the charge. Now, here's a little example. What is the formula of gold 3 oxide? The gold, and then you got a Roman number 3 in parentheses. You got to have those parentheses. So we now know that the charge in the gold is a 3 plus. Oxide, which we've talked about before, you know that's a 2 minus charge. Don't sit there doing switcheroo. Make it your business to then say, okay, how do I get same number of positive charges as negative charges? So we put a coefficient, a big number of 2 in front of the gold 3. Then in front of the oxide, we put a 3, because 3 times the negative 2 will be a negative 6. You take the big numbers, the coefficients, and make them the subscript when you make your formula. So the formula is AU2O3. Okay? Finally, let's talk about those old classical American names. Now you need to talk with your instructor or teacher about which ones they want you to know for both tables. I normally give this to my students. So it's not everything, but it'll get you going. So you notice like stannous, it has a 2 plus charge versus stannic has a 4 plus charge. So there's a rhythm here. The lesser charge will end in the us ending, whereas the higher charge ends in the ick ending. All right? So ask your instructor which ones they want you to memorize. Here goes a quick example. What is the formula ferric chloride? So you look above and you see ferric. It's the higher charge. That's a 3+ charge. Chloride, you already know that's a -1. So how do you get the same number of positives as negative charges? Do the same thing. There's a 1 that we do not write in front of the iron ion. And so 1 times the 3+ is a +3. Chloride, I got to put a coefficient of 3, a big number, because I need to have 3-. So 3 times a -1 is a -3. So when I put it together, take the big numbers, the coefficient, make it the little number, the subscript. Do not write a 1 in chemistry as a coefficient or a subscript. So the final formula is FeCl3. Thank you for attending class. To recap, Type IIa nomenclature follows the same process as Type I, except now the metals have more than one type of charge. As you can see in the chart we used, these metal ions can have 2 or even 3 different types of charges. So when using the IUPAC system, you must show the charge on the metal with Roman numbers in parentheses. Conversely, the classical naming system has its own set of names to use for metal ions. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and want to support us, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. Because we are Friend in Chem, our mission is to make learning chemistry fun, easy, and effective. So, see you next time.